Charles Schwab Checking Account Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how user-friendly banking can be in 2025. Charles Schwab Checking Account offers fee-free accounts, unlimited ATM reimbursements, and robust online tools. But is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming high-fee accounts are standard. Schwab provides no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and reimburses ATM fees worldwide, making it ideal for travelers or anyone wanting flexible access to cash. Another advantage is integration. You won't believe what happens next when you see seamless online and mobile banking, coupled with investment account linking. This allows easy transfers, bill payments, and real-time monitoring of finances in one place. However, there are cons. Some users may prefer in-person banking, which is limited. Interest on checking balances is minimal compared to savings accounts. Additionally, overdraft protection options are available but not as extensive as some competitors. In conclusion, Charles Schwab Checking Account in 2025 is perfect for those seeking free, convenient, and globally accessible checking. While it's not designed for high-interest growth, it offers practical features for everyday banking and financial integration, making it a strong choice for both casual and travel-oriented users.